Now we are going to see atomic physics for 3rd BSc Physics students. Topic thermal conductivity. Already we have seen free electron theory of metals. In free electron theory, we have seen 3 stages: postulates or assumptions, success and drawbacks. Also we have seen mean free path, relaxation time, drift velocity and expression for electrical conductivity sigma. Sigma is equal to Ne square tau by m. In this class we are going to see expression for thermal conductivity. Consider a metal rod consisting of n free electrons per unit volume. Let us take rho be the mass of free electrons per unit volume. You know that rho is equal to mass by volume, that is m by v. Rho is equal to m by v. Here we are taking rho is equal to m into n. The m by v only, here we are taking that n as free electrons and we can take rho is equal to mn. The free electrons in the metal move randomly and collide frequently with ions. Here let us take lambda be the mean free path between two successive collisions. Let c bar be the mean velocity of the free electrons. So let us take a metal. One end of the metal rod is heated. So energy is transported across the layers of the metal due to the collisions of the free electrons with ions. So one end is hot end and another end is called as cold end. Here we are taking two temperature level. That one is we can take it as T and another one is T plus delta T. Quantity of heat Q and the distance separated we can take it as delta X. So let Cv be the specific heat capacity at constant volume of the free electron gas. According to the law of equipartition of energy, each electron of the electron gas possesses energy is equal to 3 by 2 kT. So 3 by 2 kT is called as thermal energy. Here K is Boltzmann constant. Energy per unit volume of electron gases W is equal to 3 by 2 n kT. As there are n electrons, here we are multiplied by n. Simply the formula for energy is 3 by 2 kT. That energy is the work done. Energy per unit volume we can take it as work done. So here we are using the symbol W. W is equal to 3 by 2 kT. And here total number of electrons we have to multiply. So W is equal to 3 by 2 n kT. Now let us differentiate that equation with respect to T. That is 3 by 2 n kT. We are going to differentiate with respect to T. While differentiating, dW by dt is equal to 3 by 2 n k. Take this as equation number 1. So this gives the quantity of heat energy required to raise the temperature of mass of unit volume of electron gas through 1 degree centigrade. So dW by dt is equal to mass into specific heat, that is Cv rho. Take this as equation number 2. From 1 and 2 we can compare. In left hand side dW by dt only. So in the right hand side 3 by 2 nk and here it is Cv rho. So Cv rho is equal to 3 by 2 nk. Take this as equation number 3. So according to kinetic theory of gases, for transport of heat, the thermal conductivity is given by K is equal to 1 by 3 rho C bar Cv lambda. This is the standard formula for thermal conductivity. The same formula can be applied to electron gas also. Here also we can use the thermal conductivity letter as K, and K is equal to 1 by 3 rho C bar Cv lambda. Putting the value of Cv rho from equation 3. So while applying that Cv rho is equal to, from equation 3 we have studied Cv rho is equal to 3 by 2 nk. So in equation 3 we have studied Cv rho is equal to 3 by 2 nk. In this equation we are going to substitute, instead of Cv rho we are going to substitute 3 by 2 kT. So if you substitute that 3 by 2 nk here, K is equal to 1 by 3 C bar lambda 3 by 2 nk, or K is equal to n C bar lambda K by 2. This gives the thermal conductivity of the metal. Here n is the number of electrons per unit volume and C bar is mean or average velocity of free electrons and lambda is mean free path and K is Boltzmann constant. Here the right hand side is Boltzmann constant K, on the left hand side is capital K, that is called as the thermal conductivity of the metal. Thank you.